I need to talk about the Le Creuset I found at Costco because that's just one of the 16 finds I'm about to show you. This might honestly be the best Costco Canada run I've had all year. Cozy home stuff, gorgeous kitchen pieces, some genuinely good deals, so let's get into it. First up, this Kate Spade plush throw stopped me in my tracks. We actually already have one at home and we love how soft it is. This blush pink is the one my daughter fell in love with. It's such a pretty girly shade without being over the top. Perfect for cooling off summer evenings on the patio or curling up with the AC on. Next, these Wash Luxe washable rugs, and the patterns are giving vintage, vibrant, full of personality. If you've got kids, pets, or you're just clumsy like me, washable rugs are a game changer. Toss it in the machine and you're done. This faux sheepskin rug is so plush and soft, it really feels like the real thing. These are perfect layered over a bedroom floor or on a chair in a reading nook. They instantly add that cozy factor to your space. Okay, this Thomasville comfort mat might be my favorite functional find today. It's wipeable, it's squishy, it's thick. This is the mat for standing at your kitchen sink for hours of doing dishes. And the vintage patterns again are so lovely, it doesn't even look like a utility piece. This Mikasa kitchen towel set is such a great price for this whole thing. I'm loving the strawberry themed one right now, so cute for summer, and there's also a yellow set that's giving sunny, fresh vibes. These Recyco Swedish dishcloths are so cute, lovely patterns, and you get a set of 12, so the value here is excellent. These could replace paper towel in your home. Another Kate Spade find here, this kitchen set, and again, the strawberry one has my whole heart. I love the strawberry patterns this season. The oven mitts actually feel very substantial, not flimsy, and they'll definitely protect your hands. I finally found the Ruggable runners here in Canada. They're $140 Canadian here, which is genuinely a great deal for this brand. There's a few nice patterns to choose from. Quick honest note though, I looked closely and I couldn't tell if these come with a rubber backing like my other Ruggable runners have, so if that's important to you, I double check before you buy. This Mrs. Meyer's set of 4 hand soaps, I love how these smell. I'm a big Mrs. Meyer's fan. I also love how they look sitting on the counter, and for 4 full-size bottles, this is a great value. These thermo flask bottles come in a set of 2, and the colors are so cute for summer or back to school. These are really high quality water bottles. We have a few of these and they keep your drinks cold for hours. Now this one, this Cuisinart cookware set in that soft beige color with the subtle ribbing detail, it looks so much more expensive than it is. For this price, this is a beautiful, high quality looking cookware set. These ceramic berry baskets are so cute for summer, perfect for serving strawberries or blueberries at the table or even just sitting out as pretty counter decor. And look at this find, the Le Creuset cast iron casserole dishes. I love these 2 colors that Costco has right now. If you've been wanting to start a Le Creuset collection, Costco is always a smart place to look first because they're going to be so much more affordable here. This Tupperware heritage set has such a nostalgic feel. The colors take me right back, and it's just as practical as ever for meal prepping and for leftovers. I also love this set of 2 snack boxes. They've been such a huge summer staple for us. We have a smaller version of these, particularly love the large one here. It has a cutting board lid, and it's something that you're going to use constantly for picnics, beach trips, and road trips. I also really loved this Lazy Susan set of jars. I like the idea of styling this on your dining table. It's beautiful to look at, but it's also so practical for keeping things within reach. So that's my July Costco Canada roundup. So many cozy, cute, actually useful finds this month. Let me know in those comments below which one is your favorite. For me, it's definitely that Cuisinart set, no contest. If you love this, hit subscribe for more Costco, Amazon, Dollarama, Dollar Tree finds all summer long, and I'll see you in the next video.